Hi guys, this is RAKIBs Tube. Welcome to my channel. I'll show you how to transfer a Google Voice number. So follow my full step. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Contact number will be given below. So this is my channel. So if you need unlimited Google Voice account, so please contact me. Here is my WhatsApp or Telegram account. To start the video, you need to subscribe to our channel for latest informative video. So let's start the video. So first of all, you need to take a Google Voice or transferable Gmail account. So I took a Google Voice account. So this is Google Voice account or this is transferable Gmail account. So I transferred this number from this Google Voice account to this Gmail account. So if you want to transfer Google Voice number, first you have to good quality IP or VPN. So this is my 911 good quality IP. So when I take a good quality IP, then you need to go a good browser. So this is my browser and search here Google Voice and enter here. So click sign in here. So you can go also here. After loading completed, you will need to log in with a Google Voice number to transfer this number to another Gmail address. So this is Google Voice number. I log in. After login completed, you will see a Google Voice number in here. So this is the Google Voice number. So we are going to transfer this number to another Gmail account. Then I have to log in to the Gmail to which I will transfer this number. So you need to go here and log in, add another account. So I took this transferable Gmail. Okay. So there is Gmail password or recovery email. So I paste here and I next click next. After this Gmail account login, so they require add or confirm recovery email. So you can try this not now or you can instantly try to add recovery email. So I will take this recovery email. Okay, I will add this recovery email. So I just select and put here. So go next and you can verify later. You can click verify later. So after the login is complete, click on sign in. Then click on continue. Then go back here and then sign in again. Click on sign in again. You will see that skip option. Okay, so click this skip option. So you will see this interface, but there is no added this number. Now the new Google Voice will have an interface show where there will be no numbers. So you may remember that I logged in to Google Voice account. So I will take this number to this Gmail account. So now I have to go to the setting option. So this is setting option. Then So now click on this transfer option. Okay, and go to again this transfer option. So you will show a Gmail here. This Gmail I logged in before. Okay, so see that this Gmail account I in here. Okay, so this is KNAY 40617. Okay, so see that this Gmail is same, KNAY 40617 at the gmail.com. Okay, so I transferred here this Google Voice number. Okay, so you select here and transfer, click transfer. So this is transferring. So you're almost finished, so click here. Okay, this is option, so click here. So you will see this interface. So you can cross this here, and you just you click this finish. Okay, you just click finish. So you will see this interface. Okay, so you also cross here. You will see there is no number added. Okay, but when you reload this page, you will see there is a Google Voice number. So can you see that there is Google Voice number? Okay, so who is Gmail? This is Gmail account. This is new Gmail account I transferred successfully. So this way friends can transfer Google Voice numbers from Google Voice Gmail to another Gmail account. So this video was so far. If you like it, don't forget to like and comment. Hold on the bell icon to get next video. Thank you.